Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Decaf Coffee with Chicory, Classic Edition. First thing you gotta do is you open up the decaf coffee mix with chicory and you pour the mix into this cup. Then after that, you pour in the water. Then after that, you open up this classic sparkling water and you pour it into this glass. Wow. I didn't know it would go up that fast, the decaf. I need a spoon, just a minute. Then run a little more. And here is your carbonated decaf coffee with chicory classic edition, folks. Enjoy.